Now coming back to our, what we are going through now, this online teaching and virtual
Yeah, ma'am.
classrooms. This problem, when I'm looking at it from three angles, from the
Yeah.
teacher's point of view, poor thing, teachers are not being, they do not know where to go. Whom, where do they go for counseling? See, they are themselves counselors, but today, I personally feel they really need lot of
I
assistance
totally
from.
agree. Totally agree. Mm.
So they need, and then of course the parents who really disturb the child in the house all the time. They have their own problems. They don't know how to really face the problems what they are facing. Then the children who are locked inside, they cannot go out. They want to show themselves. You know yourself. They just spotlight
Yeah, yeah.
syndrome is there. They want to show themselves. All that is not there. So this all affects their lifestyle, their personality. After all, everybody wants, a hug, a touch, feeling for each other. That's what is very important when we talk about this well-being.
Yeah, yeah,
All
absolutely.
that
Absolutely.
now, when all that is missing, what is it that as a special psychiatrist and a specialist in this, what is your advice? How do you guide them? What tips do you want to give them? That is what is my little bit concern, that I want to give some tips through you to the teachers, to the parents, and to the children, how to face this. Is a phase, it will go away. Even that 30% they have reduced, next year it's going to be all 100%. It's only now for today that we have reduced the course, and we have reduced the content, we have reduced the curriculum. It's okay, because there's a phase that we all have to go through it. But then how is it that the teachers, parents, and students face this situation in which they are in it, they cannot come out of it immediately?
Wonderful. I think you really put a very interesting and innovative question. Uh, I am taking four dimensions to this particular answer, ma'am. If you remember it as four alphabet, the recognizing, the sharing, the listening, and modifying. It applies to every human being. It applies to a child also. लेकिन बच्चा इस भाषा को चार शब्दों में नहीं बोल पाएगा. छोटा बच्चा अगर है, बड़ा बच्चा बोल लेगा. क्या रिकॉग्नाइज करना चाहिए हमको? What do we recognize? I told you, change has been sudden, unexpected, and a lot of people, including the people who were already suffering. India has a population about 1.3 billion, and our data, country data says that one in seven people would be suffering from some or the other mental health disorder or a problem. Fine. It is like hypertension, diabetes, like many other problems, arthritis. So we gracefully accept mind is a component of good health. And there are millions of people who are already suffering for various reasons, personal, family, academic, job. Suddenly out of the blue, COVID-19 आ जाता है. अब जब COVID-19 आता है, तो जो ऑलरेडी थोड़े सफरिंग कर रहे हैं या इन समस्याओं से गुजर रहे हैं, पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी ट्राइंग टू बी रेजिलियंट विद मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, फॉर देम ये ओवरवेलमिंग स्ट्रेस हो गया और ज्यादा हो गया ना. तो उनके लिए ये बहुत बड़ा सदमा हो गया, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो परेशानियां लेके चल रहे थे 2018-19 में. तो पहले तो हमको उनको प्रोटेक्ट करना है. People who are already, children who are already maybe in every school, in every family, what we call as, in your language also, ma'am, you have been a advocate of inclusion. जो बच्चे ऑलरेडी वल्नरेबल हैं, पहले तो हम उनको रिकग्नाइज करें कि उनकी वल्नरेबिलिटी ऐसे टाइम पे बढ़ेगी तो नहीं. उनकी एंग्जाइटी, उनका डिप्रेशन, उनका एग्रेशन, उनका फ्रस्ट्रेशन, उनकी जो अनसर्टिनिटी है लाइफ की, उनको भाई ये क्या हो रहा है, घर में सब लोग डरे हुए क्यों हैं आजकल, जो ब्रेकिंग न्यूज सुनते हैं, या इतने आंकड़े हो गए, 1,30,000 लोग इंडिया में हो गए, इतने लोगों की ये हो गई वो हो गई. तो ये बातें सुनकर तो बच्चे तो नेचुरली घबराएंगे ना. तो हम क्या उनके लिए उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं, उनकी सो कॉल्ड वरी, टेंशन या दहशत को पहले तो रिकॉग्नाइज करिए बच्चों में, अपने आप को भी करिए और बच्चों को भी करिए. सेकंड, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात, द ग्रेट इंडियन फैमिली. मुझे लगता है कि ग्रेट इंडियन फैमिली के मतलब उससे ज्यादा मेरे को लगता नहीं है कि कोई भी संपत्ति है. द फैक्ट दैट हम सब साथ हैं और ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. this time will also go away and we are all together. एक बार जब हमने recognize कर लिया कि बच्चे के मिजाज में, उसके emotions में, उसकी thinking में जो अड़चन है, the difficulty the child is going through, because as I mentioned, children are not meant to be confined by nature. By nature, they are happy, healthy, moving around, young minds who need a lot of bubbly climate, ambience, and around the nature, the playground, the beautiful animals and birds and chirping sounds of friends and peer group. But they are confined. More than 120 days, children are at home. They can't even go for any work because they are not yet grown up. And the dad and grandfather are going for work, mummy is going to work, but they are at home. And online classes are really helping them. Salute to our teachers, warriors of education. There's no doubt that it comes in as a very important step to bring about a change in the way children look at life. So what do we do when they are finding it difficult to cope up within the four walls of the house? I think जो certain चीज हमारे पास है, what have we got? We have got human resource. The parents are there, the grandparents are there, and you can bring in engagement of so many different varieties. I came across a family recently where the grandfather is actually bringing in the orchestra and playing the Antakshari and bringing in role plays and Nukkad Nataks in the family, making it a literary and a cultural platform, making it a debating and a parliament in the house. And we are all together because we have so many good activities. So it is not like an absence of a playground. The backyard and the front yard of the small home is also converted into a garden. So all of them are involved in, taking care of the plants, taking care of their own day-to-day chores. Now this becomes a diversity where we share without essentially talking. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप केवल बात करिए. Non-verbal communication, emotional expression, these are the things children are looking out for. Remember, wherever you share a space with them, allow the complete body language, their words, their emotions to be the way they are feeling. हम क्या करते हैं, हम बच्चों से ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करने लगते हैं कि वो घर में भी अपना एक बहुत टाइट स्केड्यूल बना लें, एक रूटीन बना लें, एक स्ट्रक्चर बना लें, उठना, खाना, पीना, बैठना, एक्सरसाइज, टीवी टाइम, प्ले टाइम, एंटरटेनमेंट टाइम, अच्छी बात है. लेकिन उनको इन्वॉल्व करके, उनको लीडर बना के, उनकी राय लेके, उनको एम्पावर करके हम बच्चों पे इम्पोज ना करें, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो जो परिवर्तन उनकी जिंदगी में आया है, ये तो शायद आपके लिए भी उतना परिवर्तन नहीं है, क्योंकि आप तो बीच बीच में बाहर चले जाते हैं. बच्चे तो पिछले 100 दिन से बाहर ही नहीं निकले हैं, है ना. ये देखिए, और दुनिया को बच्चों की नजर से देखना चाहिए. इफ द वर्ल्ड इज फॉर टुमारो एंड टुमारो इज फॉर चिल्ड्रन, आई थिंक द विजन एंड द आईज ऑफ द चाइल्ड एंड द एडोलेसेंट मैटर फॉर द फ्यूचर. उनको घर के डेली टाइम टेबल के लिए लीडर बनाइए. ये हो गया शेयरिंग वाला पार्ट और लिसनिंग वाला पार्ट. बिकॉज व्हेन आई शेयर माय डिफिकल्टीज, आई एम वांटिंग द अदर पर्सन टू लिसन टू मी. एंड पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड के साथ, पॉजिटिव अनकंडीशनल रिगार्ड के साथ, विदाउट बीइंग जजमेंटल, विदाउट बीइंग गिविंग नेम्स टू माय बिहेवियर, गुड और बैड और व्हाटएवर. एप्रिशिएट द गुड थिंग्स आई एम डूइंग. हर बच्चे में, हर इंसान में रिकॉग्निशन की, एप्रिसिएशन की चाहत होती है. देयर इज अ नीड, देयर इज अ वांट टू बी एप्रिशिएटेड इन एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग, वेदर आई एम यंग और मिडिल एज और ओल्ड. इवन ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर नीड टू बी एप्रिशिएटेड. उनकी भी रूह कहती है, उनका भी मन कहता है कि मेरे को कोई बच्चों की तरह खिलाए, बच्चों की तरह मेरे साथ खेले. ये देखिए, ये परिवार है, ये ग्रेट इंडियन फैमिली है which can create a beautiful school. मैं तो कह रहा हूं लोगों को कि अब स्कूल में घर आ गया और घर में स्कूल आ गया है, और ये एक नया सिस्टम है हमारा. There are walls which are now not there. Community is the school, family is the school. So after we recognize difficulties क्या हैं, उनको शेयरिंग और लिसनिंग में लेके आइए, आपकी केयरिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. This is what I am saying. Then the modification. आप ऑलरेडी जब शेयर कर रहे हैं अपने परेशानी को, अपनी डिफिकल्टीज को एक दूसरे के साथ सुन रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, अटेंशन दे के. बच्चे चाहते हैं पेरेंट्स मेरे को या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स मेरी आई टू आई कांटेक्ट के साथ मेरे को इंपॉर्टेंस देते हुए मेरी बात को सुने. वो जो घबराहट है ना, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो कोई बीमारी नहीं है, वो एक संदर्भ है, एक एक्सपीरियंस है. हम हाथ पकड़ के उनके साथ 2 कदम उस एक्सपीरियंस को समझ लें, सुन लें. दिस इज व्हाट इज शेयरिंग, लिसनिंग एंड केयरिंग. दैट इज व्हाई यू मॉडिफाई. हु विल मॉडिफाई? ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर. मैं कहता हूं कि टीचर्स हमारे घर पहुंच रहे हैं. The teachers are coming in the morning and taking care of their own families. I told, salute to our teachers across the country. Teachers are teachers are taking the initiative to modify the curriculum, to make it more interactive, to make it more participatory. Usha ji knows how the special need children also need to be given equal importance in activities during the online education. कई बार बच्चे वो बैठ नहीं पाते एक दूसरे अपने सीट पे नहीं बैठ पाते हैं, वो एक दूसरे के साथ चर्चा नहीं कर पाते ऑनलाइन मीडियम पे, बट उनके लिए वर्कशीट्स हैं, एक्टिविटीज हैं, ड्राइंग है, पेंटिंग है, so many varieties are there. The idea is the teacher and the family and the school, they become wonderful partners. मुझे लगता है ये कोविड-19 ने हमें ये सिखाया है कि ये एक नई मैरिज है बिटवीन द स्कूल एंड द फैमिली, और बच्चे उस मैरिज को सेलिब्रेट करें, बिकॉज हमारे टीचर, हमारे अध्यापक, हमारे माँ बाप, ये सब हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं. Everybody is a parent, and when everybody is my parent, which includes my mother, father, my teacher, my grandfather and my principal also, I think हमारे पेरेंट्स तो बहुत सारे हो गए, और इन्हीं को हम सुने, इनको समझें, बच्चों के साथ उनको सुने और समझें, and we will be able to manage a lot of problems, because problems will happen. डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, गुस्सा ह्यूमन नेचर में है. जैसे खुशी होती है वैसे थोड़ी बहुत परेशानियां जूझने के लिए ये बहुत बड़ी शिक्षा है. सो दीज 4 words, please remember: keep on recognizing, keep on observing, keep on sharing and keep on listening. You will automatically care, because you will gradually modify the timetable suiting to each other. And the respect and the dignity of the mother, the respect and the dignity of the grandparents and the children becomes a huge party where we all grow together, we laugh together, we have lunch and dinner together, and we also sometimes cry together. इसी बात पे कितना बड़ा सुख मिलता है बच्चों को कि भाई हम सब आज की जो अनसर्टेनिटी है, 1-2 आंसू अगर गिर भी जाते हैं तो उसमें क्या है, साथ मिलके हम आंसू बहा रहे हैं ना, फिर उसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. वो मौका जो हम साथ में हैं, दैट फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग विद द शोल्डर ऑफ ईच अदर, आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा समय है जिसमें हमको एक अपनापन अपनों के साथ सीख लेना चाहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच. जो आपने कहा बिल्कुल सही कहा कि आज की डेट में जो 360 होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टू एजुकेशन हम बात करते थे, वो आज की डेट में है, जहां हमने पेरेंट्स को, टीचर्स को, बच्चों को, सबको पास लेके आ गए. लेकिन कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इश्यूज आर देयर, चाहे वो फैमिली के इश्यूज है, टीचर्स के इश्यू है, बच्चों के हैं, लेकिन एज यू से वी हैव टू बी वेरी पॉजिटिव. यदि हमारी पॉजिटिव अप्रोच होगी घर के अंदर, स्कूल के प्रोग्राम के अंदर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यदि हम सोचेंगे कि ये गलत है तो वो गलत ही नजर आएगा, ठीक सोचेंगे तो वो ठीक ही समझ में आएगा. और जो स्पेशल हमारे जो इंक्लूसिव वाले हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए भी मैंने देखा है, जो काउंसलर्स हैं या स्पेशल एजुकेटर्स हैं, वो अलग से शाम के वक्त अलग-अलग 1-1 घंटा बच्चों को दे रही हैं. So we have to really say hats off to our teachers. They're really, even they have programs in the evening for them, some kind of get together. So they're doing a lot. And when it comes to children who are really more intelligent, वो तो बड़ा अच्छा peer group बन गए हैं, वो एक दूसरे को मदद करते हैं. जो आपने बहुत ज्यादा प्रमोट किया था, वो आज की डेट में हो रहा है. Peer ने अपना एक वो क्लब्स बना लिए हैं. Then they tell the children, the छोटे वाले बच्चों को कहते हैं कि आप प्रिपेयर करके आओ और हम सब सुनेंगे. So they have a lot of programs which are going on, but still I felt that there is a lot need to be done, and the teachers, and they all need to be motivated, parents need to be motivated, the children need to be motivated, and they all have to be given a very positive, happy feeling that this will go away. चला जाएगा. इस समय जो चला गया है, इस समय को किस तरह से हमने इस्तेमाल, as you said, bringing closeness, अपने को अपने नेटवर्किंग करिए. एक लास्ट वर्ड यदि आप बच्चों को देना चाहेंगे.
जी मैम, श्योरली. मैं तो इसी बात से सहमत हूं कि मेंटल हेल्थ एज अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ लाइफ, नॉट ओनली हेल्थ, आई थिंक इट इज ऑलवेज बीन देयर फ्रॉम द टाइम ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, फ्रॉम द टाइम ऑफ मैनकाइंड हैज रियलाइज्ड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ माइंड and body as a combination of good health, I think we have been celebrating mental health. But yes, on a priority, when it comes to learning, learning in terms of a context of learning in the school, in the child's own eyes and the speech and the emotions, I think the importance given to mental health was somewhere in the race of education, as you said rightly in the beginning, ma'am. We were somewhere getting lost in the achievement process, in the indicators of achievement. Now, the government of India has done a remarkable work, a great oceanic work in making education a construction of the entire human being, a full rounded development of a human being. So, no wonder when we talk of the physical, mental, social well being, mental health automatically becomes a huge part of it. And I'm so proud as a citizen of India that this is a country where the mind as a component of every walk in life was given due importance. And today, from the eyes of the child, as you said, the peer group, the peer educator, the adolescent leader, I think we have started observing the world from the eyes of young people. We have 35 crores of young people who are adolescents in schools. Why are we not able to? Every school I'm requesting, every family I'm requesting that utilize the human resource and the vision of your adolescent child. That child is here to be a leader and mental health leader also. Mental health issues will always be there because it is like body, like mind. And necessity being the mother of invention, I think the child is the inventor of a smile in the family, inventor of a happiness in the family. Let the mantle, जिसको कहते हैं बच्चे के ऊपर उसका सरताज रखिए और कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे की नजर से दुनिया देखिए उसके अंदर जो मुस्कुराहट है वो चाहता है पूरी परिवार में रहे बाकी अड़चने होंगी वी कम अक्रॉस सो मेनी फैमिलीज मैम who talk about children not leaving their mobile phone screen time internet time I'm sure ये बातें तो हर घर में होती हैं लेकिन अगर हम कुछ और ऐसा दिलचस्प करें कुछ और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग करें we take out our energy and engage children in indoor games which every member in the family is there including father also for example singing hai dance hai role play hai I told you so many things including caroms and ludos and chess and scrabble why not this is mental health of the entire family I'm sure children will bring about a change in their personality with the internet and the screen time and the online addiction don't worry online education is very useful online entertainment is very essential and both are components of our mind and its own happiness but we need to participate together we need to celebrate together then children will also feel like being with you talk to you share with you and as said modify their life along with you this is the message I want to give for making this beautiful COVID-19 period instead of a disaster a great opportunity for the personal, family, and social life to improve and take it to newer heights for mental health and well-being, ma'am. This is what is my message.
So let's celebrate life and take COVID-19 as a, not as something which is bad or anything, but as an, an opportunity
Great
to really
opportunity.
come. It's an opportunity to come close to each other. We have brought school and the parents, everybody together. And I'm
Absolutely.
sure your advice will go a long way. Thank you so much, Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, for being with us and giving your advice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Friends, we just heard Dr. Jitendra Nagpal ji. He did talk about 4 main points, which I remember. One is recognize, share, listen, and modify. These are the 4 important areas in which we can take care of the well-being and the mental health of children, of the people around, and especially during this COVID-19 time when children are not able to come out of their houses, they are confined within the home, and then they have only the virtual classroom. They are discussing with teachers, they are discussing with their friends, but all through online. They are not able to meet anybody. And he has given a very good inputs and he has really given a very positive outlook to the whole system that how we can take care of the well-being and the mental health of the whole family if we are all positive towards it. If we really have positive attitude towards life and understanding each other's needs, and especially taking children into confidence. Be a friend of the children and not just as parents. Certainly they will go a long way and they'll become more friendly, and there will be harmonious atmosphere in the house. So thank you so much, Dr. Nagpal, for sharing these views with us, and we'll be meeting again for the next program. We are going to have another renowned person who will be discussing with us on another issue for your edification. Thank you so much. See you again. Goodbye.